The process of obtaining a Portuguese golden visa is divided as follows. Visit Portugal and choose your investment. Set up a Portuguese bank account and tax number. Complete your investment. Apply for the Portugal golden visa. Receive your residence permit. Apply for Portuguese citizenship/permanent residence. Step 1. Visit Portugal and choose your investment. You, or your lawyers, should arrange a prior trip to Portugal so you can see your options and kickstart the process of investment. If you are interested in investing in real estate, during your initial visit, you will visit properties, meet with lawyers, and, if it is your preference, grant power of attorney to a representative. If you want to invest in one of the other options, your lawyer will help you set up the necessary meetings and documents for the transfer. If you are from a country with visa requirements, you may need a Portuguese Schengen visa to visit Portugal for this short initial trip. Step 2. Set up a Portuguese bank account and tax number. Before you can finalize your investment, you will need a Portuguese tax number and bank account. You can obtain a tax number, also known as a NIF number, Número de Identificação Fiscal, at the local Office for Tax and Customs Authority, the Taxpayer Registration Services. There will be a set of forms you must complete, provided by the tax office, and documents to submit regarding your need for a Portuguese tax number. You can set up a bank account with any trusted financial institution in Portugal. The process is pretty straightforward, the same as anywhere else in the world. You just visit the bank and ask to have a bank account set up. For both these processes, you must have documents proving your income, home address, and identification document. Step 3. Complete your investment. Once you have set up your bank account and the tax number, you can finally complete your investment. The investment can take months to be finalized. You cannot apply for the golden visa until you have the necessary documents proving you have secured it. See required documents for Portugal golden visa application below. After you have finalized your investment, you can return home to collect the required documents and apply for the Portuguese golden visa. Step 4. Apply for the Portuguese golden visa. Once your investment has been completed, you can finally submit the application for a Portuguese golden visa at the Immigration and Borders Service (SEF). The process is as follows. Register with the ARI portal, Residence Permits for Investment Activities, here. ARI is the SEF's online portal for handling golden visa applications. You can register yourself, or a legal representative may do it on your behalf. Attach electronic copies of the required documents, in PDF, and no bigger than 4 megabytes. Pay all the relevant fees. Wait for confirmation from the SEF. Schedule an appointment to submit your golden visa application at a local branch of the SEF. Step 5. Receive your Portuguese residence permit. After you submit your application, it can take from 3 to 6 months to receive your residence permit card. The card is valid for 1 year initially and can be renewed for a maximum of 5 years. With your Portuguese residence permit card, you can live and work in Portugal freely and enjoy the same benefits as all other Portuguese citizens and residents. Final step: apply for permanent residency or citizenship. 5 years after making your investment, you become eligible to apply for Portuguese citizenship or permanent residency. At this point, you will need to demonstrate that you have ties to Portugal and pass a general knowledge test. The test proves that you can speak Portuguese at least an A2 level, conversational, and you have general knowledge of Portuguese society and laws. There are no residency requirements. Required documents for Portugal golden visa application. When submitting the Portugal golden visa application, you must have the following documents. The official Portugal visa application form. This is downloadable from the Portuguese visa portal. Valid passport. 2 passport-size pictures, which are in line with Portugal visa photo requirements. Proof of having obtained health insurance valid in Portugal. Proof of having no previous criminal records. You need a certificate from any country in which you have lived longer than 1 year. The certificate has to be issued by the relevant authorities within the previous 3 months and translated into Portuguese. Sworn statement that you will maintain your investment for a minimum period of 5 years. Payment receipt from the ARI portal. Any documents related to your investment, as detailed below. Purchasing real estate property worth at least €500,000. Acquisition deed of the property or the pre-contract agreement. Declaration from a financial institution authorized or registered in Portugal, which proves the effective international transfer of the assets. The land register certificate, along with the records, endorsements, and registration in force, attests to the ownership of the property. The legal description of the property, if applicable. Investment of €350,000 in a property in a Portuguese urban regeneration area. The above-mentioned documents. Declaration from a competent entity proving that the property is in a regeneration area. Capital transfer of at least €1 million in a bank account. Declaration from a financial institution that is registered in Portugal, attesting to the deposit. The transfer must be free from any charges and obligations. Creation of at least 10 job positions. Declaration from a financial institution that is registered in Portugal, attesting to the required deposit. Individual employment contracts between the employer and the employees. If you are a shareholder in a company, extract from the Register of Companies.